The Acropolis, the dazzling capital of Athens, is a spectacular archaeological site that tells one of history's most fascinating stories. This sacred hill in the heart of ancient Greece is a monument dedicated to Athena in the depths of time. The Acropolis is a jewel that shines not only in the dusty pages of history, but also in the eyes of today's visitors. This ancient city, once built with the vision of Pericles, has withstood the tides of history and survived to the present day. The sublime splendor of the Parthenon, the spiritual meaning of the Temple of Athena Parthenos, and the elegance of other historic buildings reflect the great artistic and cultural heritage of ancient Greece. Within this historical treasure, the mystery of the stone-carved Erechtheion and the majesty of the Temple of Athena Nike captivate visitors. These structures are full of stories engraved in stone, each one telling a long story that reaches deep into ancient Greek mythology. However, the erosive effects of time and the touch of human hands have damaged parts of this sacred site. Today, the Greek government and the global community have joined hands to protect the future of the Acropolis. Restoration work and sustainable tourism practices ensure that this ancient wonder will stand the test of time. The Acropolis is also an important part of ancient Greek mythology. Many myths and legends revolve around these historic buildings. Therefore, by maintaining its connection to the belief systems and mythological stories of antiquity, these structures offer endless opportunities for exploration for history and culture enthusiasts. A visit to the Acropolis, Greece, will not only reinforce your admiration for Greek culture, but will also increase your respect for the common heritage of humanity.